Greetings and salutations, folks. I'm Josh from Layzee Acres. Thank you for tuning in. We are saving the world here, one trailer at a time. We're actually down here at the open house display for 2025 Grand Design, and we're going to take a look at the 401 LJMJ. That's a less junk, more journey. I'm getting older, Brendan. This is a killer model, and I'm here with my friend, that Dutch bad boy, Brendan Hannemeyer, on the camera today. Brendan?
What's going on, happy campers, future campers, and fellow salespeople? Thank you so much for tuning into your favorite RV YouTube channel in the world. If you don't mind hitting that like and subscribe button, we'd greatly appreciate it. It's the 414 LJMJ, brand new. It's going to take Josh a little bit to remember that. Less junk, more journey. Big following on social media, came out with this amazing floor plan, been a lot of hype about it. Let us know what you think about it. The comment section's open. Enjoy the video.
Yeah, I think their YouTube channel is probably maybe twice the size of ours.
Yeah, at least.
No, it's probably about 100 times the size of ours. This guy weighs 19,000 pounds.
Wow.
And it is a beautiful floor plan, side deck, all kinds of slides, new Solitude updates we're going to try to get to as much as we can. Beautiful front fiberglass cap with LED lights built into it, painted front cap, more ride pin box in here. That's going to shift 3 inches front to back. This particular display unit has a generator prep down there on the right. You have your battery and box storage over there to your left. 6-point hydraulic leveling. The reservoir for that is in through there. We have the solar, we have the battery disconnect, solar disconnect. All your 12-volt wiring is coming together into one convenient location. 30-pound propane tanks. Right around here, we're going to have access to our convenience center with our city water connection, freshwater fill, black water flush kit, water filtration system here, gate valves, low point drains. You can shut off your ice maker. You have an outside shower, and then check out this pass-through.
A pantry location, but it's close enough.
Fantastic.
That is fantastic. We have the MoRide cord reel in through here too. The Fugatti, forget about a water heater, black water flush kit, secondary black water flush kit, furnace vent there, rack and pinion style slides down below.
Double rack and pinion, baby.
New fender skirts we got going on here, AB.
Very nice.
Look at that. Triple axle on this model, MoRide. Oh, that's right, Brandon. This is
What we got
first
going on.
models, they've gone to an independent suspension. That's going to be a standard feature on Solitudes, Momentum, M-Class, and Influence is all going to have independent suspension standard. If you increase your buying power to be able to do that, it lets you bring the cost of it down, so the price increase is not that much, but it's going to be the best towing fifth wheels on the market.
100%.
Right, we love that. We have our secondary sewer drain at the back. We're gonna have some nice storage here. Right across the back, we have the pull-out tray. Beautiful. Roof ladders right here. Get up on your roof, check your seals every 90 days. That is a one-piece roof because it's a fiberglass roof now with no exterior sealants. You can see these fellows over here looking at it. Fiberglass roof, no exterior sealants. I'm not going to say maintenance free, Brennan.
Nope, they are not.
What are you going to say?
You're going to say, just check it every once in a while. You're just not having to bring up any like self-leveling caulking or anything.
Exactly. And then how about this side deck, Brennan? We're going to get to it here. Side deck pops out. If you move the deck from the middle to the back, it doesn't really obstruct the unit, like for windows and stuff like that. So it's a nice rear side deck. We have our outside TV. We got some beautiful windows across the top of it. We're going to talk about that here. Another rack and pinion style slide.
Another rack and pinion, baby.
That's it, brother. We have our flip-up steps that are cable assisted. The other side of our pass-through storage, of course, is a drop frame construction, so we have a lot of height in this pass-through. Motion sensitive light, central vac in through here. Let's go have a look inside. Right on, folks. We're inside that 414 LJMJ.
Correct.
Correct. I got it right this time. How about this floor plan? I know you've seen it already online, but this is so sweet. Where we had big door side windows, killer kitchen, toy hauler, you know, floor plan-esque in through here with this nice L-shaped style sofa. I love the new interior we got here. There's gonna be 2 fabric options. The wood colors is definitely updated from last year. I love the accent walls. Just fantastic. Fireplace down here, TV facing the theater seats. 2 of these do recline. This will have like a pull out and stretch kind of feature here. Or you can pull this drawer out and then we can lift this up. Turns into like one massive area where we can just kind of sit around, have our feet up. We have the Rockford Fosgate sound system here and behind the door. We got the square windows, but they're sliding square windows, Brennan.
Very cool.
Very nice. A lot of times the square windows, you don't have sliding aspects, so then we lose like the ventilation, right? Sliding back here, we got this up and down dinette. I love the corner kind of seats here. There's also a bed right here that's gonna pop down over top of that dinette. Comes down super slick and easy. Bunk in through here. Again, square style windows. Gotta love that. Over my shoulder, we got another bunk, which is a nice big bunk actually. I love like the succulents space there underneath the window. Lots of storage here. Down below it, we got 8 drawers here, which is more than Snow White ever had.
There you go.
Okay. Into our washroom, porcelain style toilet, dump truck fits, solid surface even here in the washroom. Got the accessory drawer, cupboard space here, individual shutoffs on all the plumbing, undermount stainless steel sink. I knew that one was supposed to be soft close. Hey, nice big medicine cabinet there, and then up into the shower. I'm 6 feet tall. Your boy Josh fits in here nicely. Shower head, body sprayer, hand wand. Coming out of the washroom, heading back down. We do have a TV here in the bedroom too. It's a sweet spot here for some coats for the kids. Coming down here into our side deck space. This is a exceptionally well finished off side deck because we have the stairs that come up and through it. We have the outside TV. Even just how robust this is around here is awesome. We have a griddle that's gonna pop out. This is all steel. All right, so it's not going to weather like your OSB cabinets would or anything. We got a drawer here. We have our nice wine fridge there. Pop off piece here for access to the bottom of the sink. Undermount stainless steel sink. Drawer. Garbage can location there. And the sink itself right there. That's a nice side deck.
Very cool.
Very, very cool. Sliding in here. We already talked about the L shape. We got this quasi freestanding table and chairs slash, corner style bench here. What's this gonna do, Brendan? Oh, just a beautifully finished drawer.
Wow.
That's interesting. Very, very cool. Counter space on both sides of our 4-burner stovetop. Large drawers here. Cupboard space across the top. Oversized microwave that happens to be, is it?
I don't think so.
Cooked on, no, it's not convection. A nice spice rack up and through here. Boom. Gotta love that. 20 cubic foot, 12 volt fridge running off the solar being charged off the batteries, or the solar. I'm losing my train of thought. It's been a long few days. Right?
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Battery
is being charged off the solar panel on the roof, which is then running the fridge.
Thank you, Brendan. I'm sorry, man.
It's okay.
No, it's not okay. I'm letting everybody down here. I love these.
Cool.
Very, very cool in through there. Now, let's head up into the bathroom bedroom area. Bring a little more heat, eh, Brendan? Should I do that? We got our porcelain style toilet here. Dump truck fits. Take a look at these cupboards here with the laundry hamper, solid surface again, undermount stainless steel sink, medicine cabinet there. We do have some cupboard space here and here. And then this is that tub I was sitting down in, Brendan.
It's very cool. You don't see this often.
No, this is dope. And when I stand up here for a shower, lots of height, but then I do fit right in here, which is wicked. And then coming into the bedroom here, we'll shut the door behind us here so we don't get interrupted. King size bed out in the slide. Nice square windows around it. We got the cross ventilation. We got the hooks. We got the pass-through hamper that we saw. So into the bathroom or the bedroom there. We have a fireplace in here now. Televator built in. Window in behind it. Laundry prep here. Another little skinny cupboard here for any brooms and such. And then we got these, all these shelves hanging, all kinds of storage in through here. And that is the video, folks. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit us up on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. Have yourselves a good day.